I want to see what the difference is really between one to the next, talk about the details, and cook the exact same food at the exact same time to see if there's any difference in performance and overall finish of your food when you start cooking.
Look at this, potatoes, chicken, all done in the same units.
Let's go from right to left. So this one is the Ninja Air Fryer XL Pro. This one has a 6.5 quart capacity of its basket. It's very large compared to other air fryers from Ninja and other air fryer companies. Compare that to the standard Ninja air fryer, which most of the time has a 4-quart capacity. If you look at this, much smaller overall space. I'll have just one bin. Now, if you go to the far left, you have the Ninja Foodie dual basket air fryer. And having 2 different baskets to be able to cook 2 different types of food at 2 different temperatures and 2 different time settings is massive. Each container holds 4 quarts, so you have an 8-quart capacity with this cooker. And you can cook 2 different things at the same time and have it be done at the exact same time. By hitting Smart Cook, what it does is, say for instance, you have a 20-minute cook time on this one and a 10-minute cook time on this one. Well, when this one hits 10 minutes left, this one will start cooking. That way they finish at the exact same time. For the most part, all other air fryers have a single basket. Now the Ninja Foodie dual basket does have a 10-quart version too, which is even larger. So now this is where it gets interesting. A lot of these machines have all these new buttons now, and it makes you go, oh, there's so many options. Max crisp, air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. This one has air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. And then on this one you have air broil, air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate, and bake. And your brain goes, wow, there's so many options that I have with these machines. But overall, what you're getting differently between each setting is overall heat and time it puts out. It's just kind of more of a simplistic aspect to it. Hit air fry, it kicks it to 390. Let's see what happens when we do air fry on this one. 390, so they're all preset. Air fry, 390. Reheat, that's your 350. Yep, 350 degrees. Do a reheat on this one, 350. Do a reheat on this one, 350. And if you need to dehydrate, I bet you it's 150. Yep, 150. Dehydrate, 150. Dehydrate, 150. So don't look at the buttons and don't make the buttons and the overall fancy look of the front of these machines sway you on which one you should buy. The biggest thing you should look at is the capacity of the overall holders of your food, so the overall containers, and the versatility of what you can do. So for instance, between these two, you can put 50% more food into the Ninja Air Fryer XL Pro than you can with the Ninja Air Fryer, because this is only 4 quarts, and this one is 6.5 quarts. And with this one, you have dual zone. And the heating elements are identical in all 3. Go to the dual basket, same fan, same heating element. This one's just elongated. Go to the smaller one, looking up here. Yep, same fan, same heating element. Don't be fooled. When you're looking at all these online going, God, what do I spend my money on? First, ask how much money you want to spend. Second, ask how much food you're going to want to cook. Third, ask how often you're going to want to cook different things at the same time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook chicken in all of them, but I'm going to cook chicken and potatoes in this one, and it'll finish identical to all these. We have this one on this side, like that. Chicken in there. We have the 5 going into the XL Pro. And I'll bring these inside so you can see the final cook more without dark light. Sorry about that, I'm cooking at the end of the day. Doing the potatoes on this side. I brought these air fryers in because rather than being outside, might as well have them inside. This is 10 minutes before they were actually done. I decided to call it quits by stopping them all at 10 minutes before they were done. Potatoes are still going. They're almost done. Let's take a pause. Oh my gosh, look how good this is. Pause with 10 minutes left as well. Look at that, look how similar. This is the XL Pro. And I had this one stop a little early too, and you can see almost identical cook. Look at this, potatoes, chicken, all done in the same units. And that's what's nice about having the dual basket, is you can cook all this at the same time and have it ready to